Hey, welcome back. In this video, we're going to take care of the SEO for our images in the Wix editor. So we're going to write something called alt text. Alt text is an accessibility feature, and it's also going to help your site rank better on search. So alt text is the text-based descriptions of your images. So if this image doesn't load for some reason, it's going to fall back to the text you write, that alt text. This is also an accessibility feature. So people who are sight impaired or have some similar disability, when they come to the site, they're going to use screen readers to understand what's on the site. The screen reader is going to read the site back to them. So if you have your alt text written for your images, then it'll read that alt text when it hits the image. Now, if you don't have alt text written, then it's just going to read the file name. So it's just going to say, for this one, girl.png. So all we have to do here, very simple, we go to each image, so we click this image, and then this toolbar pops up, and then we click the little gear settings icon, and the image settings tab pops open, and then we write our alt text in this field where it says what's in the image. There's also this little tooltip if you want to learn a little bit more. And so we would write something like Leslie Adams, personal trainer, smiling with a jump rope. Now you don't want to keyword stuff here like we talked about earlier in the course. Keyword stuffing is not an effective tactic anymore. What you want to do is be descriptive of the image because we're trying to create the best user experience possible for somebody who might be using the alt text, right? Somebody who's using a screen reader or something. And so that's how you do it for any image. You're going to go through the whole site and do that for all your images. And then if you have image backgrounds, like we set this image to be the background of this column for conditioning, then we click change column background, and then we click settings, and then here we have the same thing again. So here we can say woman doing exercises on the beach. That's pretty much it. So go through your site, write the alt text for all your images everywhere, and I'll see you in the next video.